Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with a sitting back workout. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are going to begin with some arm twist and pulls here. So we start off with our arms out to the side, and then we twist our arms in close to our body. Okay, and make sure that when you squeeze your elbows in, you are squeezing those shoulder blades together. Really feel them press together and just hold for just a second before you release and you bring those arms out to the side again. So when you're twisting, you can see that my palms faced backwards in the beginning, and then when they twist around, my palms come to face forward. Really imagine that you are twisting and pulling on a rope or some other object that you're trying to get close into your body. And the more you twist and pull, the closer it gets. So keep twisting, twisting. We are targeting and toning our back today, really working our back here. Okay, now we are coming in to some shoulder blade presses here. So we are keeping our elbows close into our body the entire time, and we're just going to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze your shoulder blades in here. You should really feel those shoulder blades pressing together every time that you squeeze here. We are targeting our upper back on this move here. And after we do this move, we are going to repeat this 3 times. So this is our first round. We got 2 more rounds to go after this. You guys got this. So after we do this move, you guys already know what to expect. Keep pulsing, pulsing, pulsing. Really squeeze those shoulder blades together every time here. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, next we're going back to those arm twist and pulls. We have just started round 2 here. Y'all are doing such a great job. I'm so proud of each and every one of you for sticking through this workout with me. This is going to go by much quicker than you know. We're just doing each one of these moves for 1 minute each. And we got 3 rounds, so we're on round 2. Twist those arms and pull them close into your body. Really squeeze that back. When you pull those elbows close into your back, really squeeze. Make sure you get a good squeeze in. Keep your arms lifted the entire time. Make sure you have good posture. We are sitting here in this workout. This is one of our sitting workout series here. We're continuing on with our sitting exercises. If you want to see the other ones, you can check out the playlist on my channel. And here we go. We are going into those shoulder blade presses once again. This is the last move of round 2, and then we will be going into round 3. So keep pressing, pressing, pressing. Squeeze those shoulder blades in. Make sure you are sitting up straight and make sure you have good posture. So you can do these workouts anywhere, anytime. As long as you have a chair and you can sit down. You can even do this on the sofa. You can do this wherever you're able to sit down. You can even sit on the floor doing this. You don't even need a chair. You can do this on the floor, on the ground, even outside sitting down. As you can see, I am sitting outside here. Got some nice weather. It's kind of hot, but the weather is still nice. We have bright blue skies, as you can see. I'm out here with my plants. I got so many pretty ones. Okay, now we are beginning round 3, and we have our arm twist and pulls here. This is the last time that we have to do this move, so y'all got this. Keep going here. And really twist. Twist and squeeze and twist and squeeze. So with my plants here, I have some really pretty flowers. I have some lavender plants, some lilac plants, and I have some aloe vera. I'm not sure what the plant is on the very left in that red pot. I'm not sure the name of it, but they're really cute. There are 3 different flowers. One's pink, one is orange, and one is yellow. And really twist and squeeze and twist and squeeze. Really squeeze those shoulder blades in. I'm so excited to be working out outside now that it is summer. I filmed quite a few videos outside, and I love being outside in nature. I can see some birds flying around, and I can hear some of them chirping. Okay, our last move. We got those shoulder blade presses. It's our last move, so stick with it. You made it this far, so don't stop now. Keep squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. You guys are doing an amazing job. I want to thank each and every one of you for sticking with this video so far. And make sure you leave a comment down below before you leave. I love replying to each and every one of y'all's comments. It brightens my day. And keep squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. Y'all got this. We're almost done. Stick with it. You got this. Keep it up. We're almost done. The end is in sight. We can see that finish line. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you are not already. And I'll see y'all on Friday. Bye.